y'all, Mavic Air here, and this is just a Mavic Air 2 noise test. So I'm going to bring this close to the camera. This obviously has the stock propellers, nothing fancy added to it, just the stock Mavic Air 2. So I'm going to shut up so y'all can hear it. Now we're going to do a rapid ascent, and then a rapid descent. So I don't know, y'all tell me what you think. Is the Mavic Air 2 too noisy? Can you tolerate the noise? Tell me what you think within the comment section below. I don't think it's too noisy. It definitely sounds like a lot of bees, but I'm not out here doing a stealthy mission. I'm just flying a drone and having a good time. So for me, it's not an issue at all, but I wanted to address that question because a lot of y'all have asked, hey man, is the Mavic Air 2 too noisy? I don't think it is. Y'all tell me what you think within the comment section below. So that's it. Is the Mavic Air 2 too noisy? I don't think it is. And again, those were just the stock propellers and stock setup, so no modifications. If you're looking for the Mavic Air 2 case, accessories, or any other drones, expand this video's description and then click the link there and you can find where to order it all online. Also, please be sure to subscribe to youtube.com/Mavic Air and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Mavic Air here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Mavic Air and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership and y'all have a good day.